Glory of Durva Grass. The ox, the donkey, and the beggar woman wandered around many places and finally came to a temple built in the name of Lord Ganesha. On the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, the beggar woman who had a pile of Durva grass with her happened to sit beside the temple. There came the donkey and the ox, and they started nibbling at the Durva grass. The woman sprang up and tried to chase them away, but both the animals ran away with some grass in their mouths towards the temple. In this to and fro chase, some leaves fell from the animals' mouths onto Lord Ganesha's statue. The beggar woman was still running around Ganesha's statue, trying to shoo away the ox and the donkey. Ganesha accepted the fallen Durva grass as an offering in prayer, and the encircling beggar woman as circumambulation. He blessed the three and freed them from their curse. King Janak and Lord Ganesha. Once, sage Narad visited King Janak, who was famous for his wisdom. Looking at his prosperity, Narad told Janak, "It seems like Lord Ganesha has blessed you with a flourishing and peaceful life." King Janak didn't think so and gave his honest opinion to Narad. He said, "O sage, I don't believe that. It cannot be the blessings of Ganesha." Narad was quite dismayed. When Ganesha learnt about this, he went to Janak in the guise of an old Brahmin. But the wise Janak immediately realized that the old Brahmin standing in front of him was actually someone divine. The old Brahmin asked for something to eat as he was hungry. King Janak organized a lavish meal for the Brahmin, but the whole food in the palace could not satiate the Brahmin's appetite. He went on eating everything that came his way and still asked for more. "You promised to feed me. I am still very hungry. Bring me more food," he said. King Janak felt embarrassed when he failed to satisfy the Brahmin's hunger. The Brahmin said to him, "If you cannot even give me food for a day, why do you call yourself a king?" Durva Grass and Lord Ganesha. After teaching a lesson in humility to King Janak, Ganesha went to the town of Mithila. There lived a poverty-stricken Brahmin named Trisharas in Mithila. In the guise of a poor Brahmin, Lord Ganesha decided to visit him. He was extended a warm welcome by Trisharas and his wife. Ganesha, as a poor Brahmin, told Trisharas that he was very tired and hungry and urgently needed some food to eat. Trisharas told Ganesha that they were very poor and all they could offer him was some Durva grass. Ganesha happily accepted the grass. Ganesha then came to his true form in front of Trisharas and his wife. The poor old couple had tears streaming down their eyes on seeing Lord Ganesha. "Anyone who presents me even one blade of Durva grass with sincerity shall always have my blessings," Ganesha said. Demon Durasad. Long ago, there lived a demon called Durasad. He ruled over a country called Mukund. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. To attain immortality, he prayed devotedly to Shiva. Shiva was appeased and granted him a boon. He told Durasad, "I am indeed impressed by your worship and dedication. May you have supreme powers. May you rule over the entire universe and never be killed by anyone except my son Ganesha." On gaining these extraordinary powers, Durasad became haughty. He began to misuse his powers. He started ruining and destroying heaven and earth. He killed innumerable innocent people. He destroyed several pious and religious places. The gods too looked on helplessly. The entire world trembled with fear. Everybody besought Brahma, who told them that Durasad had become so powerful because of Shiva's boon. Ganesha was the only one who could save them from Durasad's wrath.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.